You will be trained to be a full stack developer. We know 12 weeks is a short time to train anyone to be decently good. But worry not, we will be deep diving into key topics like front-end, back-end, DevOps, documentation, testing, and project management, and touch upon other important ones like TSA, low-level design, high-level design, tooling, etc. A T-shaped engineer, that is what we aim to make you. But how do we do this? Here's how. 12 weeks of in-person sessions with engineers from procedure and other industry experts. Daily brown bag sessions where you will present your exciting ideas to your cohort. Surprise mini projects and quizzes to gauge your progress. Write it fast so that you just don't learn for yourself, but you get back to the community. Our goal here is to make you fall in love with the craft of programming, ignite your curiosity so that you can explore on your own, give you tools to help you simplify this complex world of software engineering, and to make you a lifelong learner. So, what are you waiting for? Click on the link and apply.